How to deactivate Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to deactivate Instagram account. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to open your web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome, since we cannot use the feature on using the Instagram app. So let's say, for example, let's first open the Instagram app, go to your profile found at the lower right corner, and click on Edit Profile. So as you can see right here on the bottommost part, you may not be able to see the deactivate or disable account option. But if you are using the Safari or Google Chrome and go to Instagram.com and sign in with your account, go to your profile, click on Edit Profile, and on the bottom part, you may be able to see the temporarily disable my account. So this option is the same with deactivating your account. So click on temporarily disable your account, and then right here, you should read all of these first before proceeding with the disabling of your account. So choose the option that you want. So let's say assume that you have read all of these and you want to disable your account. Choose the option that you want. So you may choose created a second account, concerned about my data, can't find people to follow, or etc. So for example, I'll just choose privacy concerns, and then you may be able to see suggestions right here. So before you temporarily disable your account, you might want to take a look of these articles in our help center. So if you have done reading that, continue by entering your password right here and click on temporarily disable account on the bottommost part, and then that's it. That's how you can deactivate Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.